Spearheaded by the People's Television, the country held the national quiz competition to select from among top students of the 13 regions to represent the Philippines in Vietnam. Let us hear the report of Mai Mapili.
With 16 competitors from all over the Philippines, Raisenel Balolong of Region 1 championed the competition after garnering a total of 80 points.
Sobra po and sobrang blessed. Kasi syempre parang sa dami po namin na nagpe-pray din po na makuha yung yung top 1 po, ako po yung nakakuha. Kaya napaka-blessed ko po. Nung quiz po, mas focus na lang ako kasi kung kakabahan ka lang, wala namang mangyayari. Mas maganda mag-focus ka na lang para alam mong mananalo ka, makukuha mo yung tamang sagot.
Kyle Vincent Singson from NCR bagged the first runner-up title with a score of 76, while Region 7's John Vincent Derla is the second runner-up, gaining 73 points.
Siyempre, kailangan pong paghandaan ng todo yun para i-defend po yung title ng Philippines dito sa ASEAN Quiz.
The quiz contest mechanics, the contestants competed in 4 rounds, namely the visual matching type, true or false, multiple choice, and fill in the blanks. The questions focus on political security, socio-cultural, and general information on ASEAN. There were also questions thrown about the history, forms of government, and culture of the 10 ASEAN member states. Meanwhile, Communications Secretary Herminio Coloma believes that projects like the ASEAN Quiz Competition is important, especially in promulgating the knowledge on ASEAN among the youth to institutionalize the One ASEAN vision.
Napakalaki ng ambag o kontribusyon ng mga proyektong katulad nitong 6th ASEAN Quiz Competition sa pagpapalaganap ng kaalaman hinggil sa ASEAN at kamulatan sa ating mga kabataan para itaguyod nila ang ideya ng ASEAN, lalong-lalo na yung vision na One ASEAN.
And just like the victory of the previous delegates for the ASEAN regional competitions, Secretary Coloma said he is confident that the country will bring home the bacon again.
Isang beses lang yata hindi naging kampiyon ang Pilipinas at sa aking palagay, sapat ang paghahanda ng ating mga kinatawan at sisikapin nilang maitayo ang bandila ng bansang Pilipinas at may pagpatuloy ang ating matagumpay na paglahok sa ASEAN Quiz Competition.
May mga tips kayo sa ating mga competitors?
Unang-una, maniwala sa kanilang kakayahan. Pangalawa, mag-aral at maghanda ng sapat. Pangatlo, manalangin para mabigyan sila ng lakas at wisdom ng ating Panginoon.
PTV4's General Manager and Chair of the ASEAN Regional Quiz Competition, Cleo Dongas, gave advice to the top 3 winners of the 6th ASEAN National Quiz Competition who will be representing the country in Vietnam this August 2014.
This is the only time that ARMM participated. Of course, for us, we appreciate that. It means that they are becoming more active in this field, especially our younger generation. And with that, they are also empowered.
Ay Mapili for News at 1, Junior Edition.